Women over 50 are using these foods for healthier skin and less fatigue. At 50, many women notice something quietly changing. Their skin begins to lose its glow and plumpness. Fine lines appear faster than before. The face looks tired even after a full night's sleep, and the energy that once carried you through the day now fades much earlier. Has this ever happened to you? You look in the mirror and think, I'm doing my best, so why do I still look and feel exhausted? Doctors may say it's just hormones. Friends say it's normal aging. And the internet pushes expensive creams, collagen powders, and miracle supplements that promise everything but deliver very little. But what if I told you something most women are never told? Your skin and energy may not be failing because of age. They may be struggling because your body is missing specific nutrients it needs after 50. And here's the surprising part. Many women over 50 are already using 5 simple everyday foods to support healthier skin, better energy, and reduced fatigue without injections, powders, or extreme routines. You want to stick around because the last food on this list plays a critical role in fighting wrinkles and tiredness, and it's the one most women overlook. Before we continue, if you care about aging gracefully, supporting your skin naturally, having more daily energy after 50, like this video. Subscribe to Green Health. We share simple, natural health tips to help women feel stronger, more confident, and more vibrant at every age. As women age, the body produces less collagen, absorbs nutrients less efficiently, and becomes more sensitive to inflammation. That's why skin thins, fatigue increases, and recovery slows down, even if you're eating healthy. Let me know in the comments if you've felt this way, doing the right things, but still feeling drained. In this video, you'll learn why skin aging and fatigue often appear together after 50, the real reason collagen creams and powders often fail, 5 natural foods women over 50 are using to support glowing skin and steady energy, and a simple habit that helps your body actually use these nutrients. Don't skip ahead, because understanding why these foods work is what makes the difference, and the best tip is coming in just a moment. Let's begin. 5 foods women over 50 are using for healthier skin and less fatigue. As we age, the body doesn't just lose collagen, it loses the ability to hold on to moisture, minerals, and energy. That's why skin aging and fatigue often show up together. The good news? Some women are restoring that balance naturally, not with powders, but with traditional, nutrient-dense foods that support collagen from the inside out. Has this ever happened to you? You eat well, but your skin still feels dry, and your energy still crashes. Let's talk about the foods making the difference. Food number 1, peach gum resin, the skin hydration booster. Peach gum has been used for centuries, especially in traditional wellness practices, for one main reason: deep hydration. Peach gum doesn't contain collagen, but it helps the skin retain moisture, which is critical for collagen to function properly. It supports skin plumpness, elasticity, reduced appearance of fine lines, a softer, more hydrated glow. As women age, skin loses water faster than collagen itself. When hydration drops, wrinkles become more visible even if collagen levels are decent. Peach gum helps address that hidden problem. Let me know in the comments if dry skin has been one of your biggest struggles after 50. Food number 2, mushroom infusion, the collagen protector. Mushrooms are rich in antioxidants and amino acids that help protect collagen from breakdown. A warm mushroom infusion supports reduced oxidative stress, healthier skin structure, better energy levels, immune balance. Chronic inflammation and stress silently damage collagen and drain energy. Mushroom compounds help calm that process, giving your skin and joints a better environment to repair. This is one reason many women notice clearer skin and steadier energy when mushrooms become part of their routine. Don't go anywhere, because the next food plays a major role in joint comfort and skin firmness. Food number 3, sea cucumber soup, the connective tissue supporter. Sea cucumber soup is rich in natural collagen-like proteins, amino acids that support tissue repair, minerals that strengthen joints and skin. It's especially known for supporting joint flexibility, skin resilience, and muscle recovery. As collagen declines, joints stiffen and movement becomes harder, which increases fatigue. Supporting connective tissue helps women stay more mobile, more active, and less tired. This is one reason traditional diets valued this food for longevity and strength. Food number 4, horsetail and nettle tea, the collagen activator. This tea combination is powerful because it provides silica and minerals which are essential for collagen formation. Horsetail supports collagen synthesis, skin firmness, and hair strength. Nettle supports iron levels, reduced fatigue, and better circulation. Together, they help the body use collagen more efficiently, improve skin texture, reduce tiredness caused by low mineral levels. Many women over 50 feel exhausted not because of age, but because their mineral reserves are low. This tea gently replenishes what the body needs. This is why you needed to watch till the end. Why these foods work so well together. Each food supports a different part of the collagen system. Peach gum improves hydration and skin plumpness, mushrooms protect collagen from damage, sea cucumber supports connective tissue and joints, horsetail and nettle tea activate collagen production and energy. Together, they address wrinkles, dry skin, joint stiffness, low energy. This is why real foods often outperform powders. If this video is helping you understand your body better, like the video, subscribe to Green Health. We share simple, natural ways to support skin, joints, and energy after 50. Aging doesn't mean fading. It means your body needs different support. When you nourish it correctly, your skin regains glow and your energy slowly returns. Let me know in the comments which of these foods surprised you the most. And don't miss the next Green Health video where we share habits that silently destroy collagen and how to avoid them. Stay healthy and remember this: Green Health cares.